Hello, this is Gregg from the North and Organic Nursery, and today I'm here to talk about the genus Ficus. This genus originates primarily in South Asia, Africa, Australia, and South America. Most of the house plants, however, we see are from South Asia. You're probably all familiar with this particular ficus. This is the India rubber plant, or Ficus elastica. It's a beautiful burgundy plant, has great leaves, makes a wonderful, wonderful centerpiece for house plants. Comes in a variety of colors. As you can see, this is a variegated form. Here is a pink variegated form. We also have this beautiful Ficus lyrata, and this is the fiddly ficus. Again, a very beautiful plant for making a statement, very elegant, very popular right now. This is a Ficus Moklane danella. As you can see, it's got a braided trunk. Again, another beautiful, beautiful plant. Here we have a Ficus benjamina. This is a single trunk form. And here we have a Ficus benjamina in a multiple trunk form. The growing conditions for ficus are all pretty much the same for all these different species. You want moderate to low light. You want to keep the soil moist but not wet. It's very important that you're consistent in your watering. You want to keep them away from any kind of drafts, so no doorways, no heating vents, no air conditioning vents. They are a wonderful plant. You fertilize approximately 2 months during the growing season, which typically is from March through September, much less during the winter. And you should have some gorgeous, gorgeous plants. Come in and see us here at Neon, and we'll help you pick the ficus for you. Thank you.